Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group Certified 2015 Dodge Charger SXT all-wheel drive, stock number B9554P. 27,000 miles on this Charger. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, pitch black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Charger is a very safe vehicle. 5-star overall government crash rating. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, as you can see. This SXT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Charger is a 3.6 liter V6, 292 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a full-size all-wheel drive sedan. EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon and the city average of 27 on the highway. All that with new tires. And don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.